ladies and gentlemen, just a face, ho, hey, feel my hey, hey, see you superstar DJs, here we go.
He do all this, he do all that, he always in trouble. And I heard he ain't but a pimp, he's got a lot of chicks, he's always in the club. And they say he think he's slick, he's got a lot of chips, he's selling them drugs. And I heard he's been locked up by somebody else, he ain't nothing but a thug. So what?
Good evening, everyone. How y'all doing? Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, as always. So, back at it again with another challenge. This time, not something that I created or came up with, but on behalf of another YouTuber. And she goes by the name of D from Mukbanging Things. This is a challenge that she had put together around about maybe the spring into May, May of last year, 2020. And seen others who, up until that point, have done their response videos of accepting the challenge and what have you. What it is called, it's titled, So What? Hashtag So What? And basically it's just saying of, you know, whatever is on your mind. It's just quotes. It's quotables of, you know, whatever comes to mind, past, present, and future, about, you know, your life goals or what you accomplished, and, you know, just some thoughts. So I unfortunately don't have a set list. This is just something that is coming off the dome, off the top of my head. I tried to Google some random so what quotes, and this is a spin-off of me doing the challenge. I'm doing a twist or spin to it. I hope you all like it. And let's see, I'll try to make this So What challenge premiere less than 30 minutes, because like I said, I don't know what I'm just gonna say some random quotes, some random so what quotables. So some stuff that like makes sense and some stuff that might not make sense. But all in all, it's just all about having fun. It's just a fun challenge that she has put out there. So here we go. And this, again, like I said, it's gonna be all random. So what if my favorite color is blue? So what if I love French fries as my favorite food out there? I love my family to death. So what? So what if I don't have as many subscribers as the next YouTuber does? So what? So what that I have not played basketball in a long time? So what that basketball is my favorite sport? So what to all you haters and trolls out there that don't have a life? So what that I'm an old school person when it comes to playing video games, watching movies, television, etc., etc. So what if I represent my hometown, Chicago, and that I now live here in North Carolina, where I currently reside? So what? So what if my last residence was in Texas? So what if I had started my journey on becoming a pilot? It's something that I always wanted to do because of growing up in that particular industry by my parents, not as pilots. But I wish that was the case. But so what? I love my parents dearly. So what? So what that it's not, it's cloudy outside right now. As we speak, earlier it was beautiful, it was windy all around. But so what if the weather changes? It's Mother Nature. If you got beef, take it up with Mother Nature, mate. Mother Nature. So what if my favorite comedian of all time is Martin Lawrence, quote unquote, from what I just said? So what if I have all of the seasons, the series, the whole series on DVD? So what? So what that I like old school music and not all of today's music? So what? So what if I'm waiting for the latest James Bond film to be released sometime next month? Hey, I'm a James Bond fanatic. So what? Again, so what if I'm fascinated by airplanes and being around them all my life and getting ready to attend a flight overview at this particular local flight school and a discovery flight all in the same day? So what? And it'd be cool to meet a fellow YouTuber who also went to that school, currently now works there. So what if you don't like it? How about that? That's again to all you haters and trolls out there that don't want to see me shine or want to see me succeed and take off and pursue something, a passion that I have a passion for and love. So what? So what if I'm tall, 6'3", and not short or midget? So what? Get over it. So what if I was an ex-truck driver for the last 2 to 3 years and that I'm not currently driving anymore? So what? So what if I don't drive my own car, personal vehicle, for the most part, well, here and there, but I drive a vehicle? So what? To get to and from work. So what? So what that I might not have all the money in the world, that I'm not very wealthy and famous, YouTube famous, or whatever you want to call it? So what? Yeah, I do want to have consistency and get my algorithm up and everything. But so what if you don't like it? How about that? So what if I'm not a morning person? Honestly, I am not a morning person by no means, but unless if I have to get up early, for some errands I have to attend to, take care of, and then go to bed late at night. So what? Even though all that will change once I put in my time and dedication at this flight school. But so what? Let's see. Can I think of anything else? Again, so what if I was born and raised in Chicago, and to what people will say, oh, it's a violent city and Chirac, and again, all due respect, it's not Chirac, it's Chi-Town. But so what to what you think about the violence and all that going on up there? I know how my city is, and I wish they would stop, but it is what it is. Oh well. So what about what you say? If you don't like it, don't go up there. It's that simple. So what if I would like to go down to Miami and have a good time, or to perhaps live down there when others say, oh no, Miami is terrible, terrible. And I probably thought otherwise. But so what? I just love Miami. Any other favorite city around the country or around the world that I want to travel to, or perhaps live, or whatever, or enjoy my retirement life or go into private life? So what? That's what I want to do. So so what if I also too have a passion, or as a hot side hobby, play music, remake music as far as music production goes? So what? So what that I have a Casio CTK 800? So what if I have an MPC 1000 that I have not showed y'all yet in the video as far as me playing on the machine, the beat machine? So what? So what that I don't have a home mixer? So what that I don't have a turntable? So what that I have these pair of headphones, which I have more that are Bluetooth, including these? So what? So what that I'm using this tablet besides my phone to do videos on and edit them and talking to you all. So what? So what if I'm somewhat a comedian? I can make people laugh. So what? I just haven't showed y'all yet. I haven't done any parodies as far as reaction videos to such. So what? But I'll get there. I'll definitely get there. So what if James Bond, once again, is my favorite superhero action hero person of all time? So what? So what that I was terrified when I first got into trucking? So what? It's normal. It happens. It'll be the same when I go back to flight school, that is, to get my flight lessons. So what? So what that my favorite fruits are strawberries, grapes, bananas, that sort of watermelon from time to time, mango. So what? So what if I like slushies from Sonic? You know what I mean? So what? I told y'all this is random. These is random so what quotables. So what if I need to stop eating fast food or junk diets and eat more healthier, which is very, very important. But yeah, that's a so what. Man. So what if you don't think nobody's perfect, so let me erase that. Ain't nobody perfect. I'm not perfect. We all make mistakes. So yeah, so what if I'm not perfect? There you go. We all make mistakes. So what if I don't read books like I used to when I was growing up when I was a kid? Same thing with magazines. So what? So what that I don't pop in or listen to CDs or tape cassette players anymore and get all my music via MP3 and YouTube? So what? So what that one of my favorite rap groups of all time is G-Unit. Well, G-Unit from back then. So what? So what that my favorite producers of all time in the music industry are the Neptunes, Pharrell Williams, God bless Pharrell Williams, and Chad Hugo. So what? And to name others, Timbaland, Pete Rock, Just Blaze, who else? Dr. Dre. Trying to think off the dome. Teddy Riley. So what? Sure there's more I'm forgetting. Swiss Beats. So what? I love music. So what if I don't like country or rock and roll? Because I don't. I might listen to, but I don't hear. It's not saying it's my style. I might can sample them and use them in a beat, but so what? So what do I like? Rap, hip hop, R&B, Hell, even some jazz. Chicago Steppers music is where it's at. So what? So what? So what that I like ice cream, strawberry, vanilla. I don't really do much of chocolate. Sherbet. So what? So what I like sherbet in other flavors. So what? So what that me currently being on a food budget and eating canned goods to bologna sandwiches and a while back peanut butter and jelly sandwiches if I don't go out to get something to eat while on the job. So what? So what that I keep my hair cut on some of my videos where you see me scraggly, but I just got my hair cut yesterday. So what if I like it bald? This is how I've been getting it for years. Haircut bald, trim my mustache, beard, sideburns. I get it all cleanly shaven. So what if you don't like it? If you like it, cool. If you don't, you don't. So what that I'm four-eyed? That I wear glasses. When I was growing up, I was told I couldn't see far away. So, in my vision. So, I had to get glasses. I've been wearing my seeing glasses / reading glasses ever since. So what? I've been called all kind of names, when I was a kid, being bullied and stuff, called from four eyes to African booty scratch. Well, you heard that term as of what that is, but then called everything out the book. You lame, you ugly. So what? So what if I'm ugly to you? But for the most part, saying that I'm cute. So what? So what? How you feel? You're not hurting my feelings. I'm a grown ass man. So, and very mature at that too. So what that I got on this white t-shirt, or what I wear for the most part? So what that I got a pair on black shorts? So what that my wardrobe not be as appealing to maybe some people? Yeah, I'll switch up and buy a whole nother set. Merch and stuff coming soon to my channel. So as my channel grows, as far as where the algorithm will take me. So what? So what's it all the beauty marks on my face? Everything, I was born that way. So what? So what to me sitting here at the dining room table with the kitchen in the background, my phone there charging, air fryer behind me, stove and all. So what? So what? So what? So what? So what that I have my portable fan next to me blowing air? Why? Because it's hot. So what? So what? So what that I have the lighting on it? Without the light, it'd be dark. It's dark right now. What time is it? It's 7:24 right now, Eastern Daylight Time. So what that I just got out the damn chair? So what? See, what else? I'm now in the entertainment room and all. So what? So what that this fan is going? Because it's hot. We need air to circulate. So what? Back porch door. So what? So what to my bathroom behind me? So what to my room? I'm in my room right now. So what? This is the bed. It's a queen size bed. I can't do queen. I gotta do king because I'm tall. My legs are long. So what? It is what it is. Baby pictures on my wall that I showed y'all last summer when I was here on vacation. These two. Yeah. I had it going on back then. But so what? It is what it is. Another baby picture of mine. Right there. So what? I love myself dearly. God bless my parents, both my mother and father. My window. So what to it? Let's see, what other so what quotables? So what to the laundry room. I just came from outside taking a broom to get a bug off the damn window. So what? The bug had to go. Webs yourself always coming for him back. So what? So what that the truck I currently drive is in the shop because of the AC being down and needed to be repaired. So what? It's not ready yet. It's not fixed. So I had to drive another car as far as get around to get to work. So what? See anything else? So what if I don't watch sports like that all the time? So what? That I only watch basketball and football. I'm not into NASCAR or hockey or tennis, golf, boxing maybe every now and then along with the MMA stuff or whatever. But so what? This is my life and how I want to live it, how I want to run it. So what that I took the trash can out to the side of the road? Pickup day is every Thursday early afternoon. So what? So what to the heck with Amazon building a new warehouse and about almost done with it across the field for me and hiring some new employees and all that. So what? P.S. Jeff Bozo is evil. Evil. But anywho, so what if I should eat more vegetables, eat more healthier than what others might think or say? So what? I need to just be more healthier. So what? So what that I like singers like Luther Vandross, may he rest in peace. You know, Michael Jackson, rest in peace, you know? So what if, you know, growing up from what my parents used to listen to from back in the day, that, you know, that's some good music. So what? So what to the colored paint on these cabinets probably a couple years ago, and even the walls that were painted, you know, this certain color, because back then they were brown. So what? Again, my favorite color is blue. So what? Ooh, excuse me. So what that I just belched? It's normal. It's natural. It happens. So what if I cough? So what if I sneeze? It's natural. It's not intended on purpose, you know? So what if I yawn? It's a habit, all that's a habit, but so what? I worked on it. So what if I drink water? Water's good for you. So what? I drink juice. So what? I drink sodas every now and then. So what? I just had Sprite not too long ago. So what? So what? That I eat cereal. So what? That I eat pancakes. So what? That I eat bacon. So what? That I eat eggs. So what that I eat sausages? So what that I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner? So what? Look at that. Look at this, y'all. I'm just about to wrap it up on 30 minutes. Look at that. So what? So what I done went grocery shopping at Dollar General last week. Oh, shit. So what? Little snacks and stuff in there. Crackers. I bought all that. So what? Oh, my goodness. So what? So what? So what? You see 2 bottles of syrup. I just usually buy a spare of each item. So what? There's hot sauce in there. So what? There's black pepper, salt. So what? There's Peter Pan peanut butter that's in there. So what? There's Morton salt in there. So what? There's crushed pepper. So what? There's Hungry Jack. Swinkies, graham crackers, Nutter Butter, instant grits, Quaker oatmeal, rice. So what? There's pasta in here. So what? There's A1 steak sauce in here. Oh, so what? There's pan cooking spray in here. Oh gosh, this is so random. So what? There's goldfish in here that I bought. So what? There's Cheez-Its. Now I'm making y'all hungry, right? Because she is a mukbanger once again. So what? Yeah, that's the grand finale here. So what? There's Campbell's Chunky Soup in here. I just had some last night. Creamy chicken noodle soup. So what? So what? There's cans of Progresso. All of these, some of them with the pull top, some aren't. Where you gotta use the doggone can opener to get it in there. To open the lid up. So what? There's sugar in here. So what? There's Coffee Mate in here. So what? There's cans of jelly cranberry sauce. So what? There's flour in here. Funyuns, Lay's, Chips Ahoy. So what? There's bread up here at the top of the refrigerator. So what? There's Pop-Tarts and all that. So what? So what? There's a crock pot, clock, toaster. So what to the sink? So what to the sink? So what to the cooking utensils? Hot damn it. So what to the flashlight? So what to the front door? So what to the porch light? So what to the night light, the nightstand? So what to the couch, the chair, the sofa? All the furniture that's in here. So what? I'm living good. Might not be living large, but I'm living good. Almost. So what to my shoes? So what to my socks? So what to the rest of my clothes that's in my closet? You know. So what to my underwear? You know, all my boxes, all my socks. So what to my pillows? You know, so what to my toiletries, my toothbrush, my toothpaste, my mouthwash, my body wash, my watch. So what to my shower curtains, which are actually beautiful. I'll show you. I got a couple months ago. I had to switch up because the other ones were old for at least as many years. But so what? So what to me? Mirror and all. Yeah, you see my bald head from behind. So what? So what to... And so what to the bathroom sink? So what to the commode? Keep clean, keep everything clean in the bathroom. So what to the bathroom carpet? All in all. So what? So what? So what? So what? I hope y'all enjoyed. So that's my comedy skit for the evening and twist to the mukbanger things. So what challenge? And I guess last but not least, so what that I'm out of breath and sweating from physically walking around and showing you, just giving you a tour of the house. So what? So what? Thank you once again, D, for inviting us to do this challenge. I greatly appreciate it. So we'll tag your name and do all that good stuff, whole 9 yards and everything in the video. So, from my channel to your channel, salute.
He do love this, he do love that, he always in trouble. And I heard he done put a pin piece in
Gulfstream Entertainment, Michael Carter Studios and Production.
Oh yeah, if you enjoyed that challenge, check out these challenges.